Hey guys, here we are on another video. Today we're putting up the Hardie board over the porch area here. They're doing that because the standing seam metal roof there over the porch, as you can see where they're standing at, cannot be stepped on, so they're going to go ahead and do this over the porch area. So once it's done, we can put the standing seam metal roof back on and won't take a chance of hurting the integrity of the roof or damaging it. We've also started installing the windows here, as you can see, which are Marvin windows, which I had in the previous video the other day, and those are really going to turn out good. Let's go around the side and I'll take another video of those windows as well. Here's the lower side of the house, the front where we was at earlier, and the lower part here is on the walkout side of the basement. You can see they are putting in the windows right now on the sunroom area. That area looks out the back side of the house to the wood area there. Just working our way around the house right now, using the lift for all these higher areas to where we can't get a ladder at. I think they're going to do the basement windows this afternoon once the lift is done. I think they're coming to return the lift this afternoon because we'll be done with it. But other than that, all the front windows are done except where the front porch is at, under where they're working at right now. Whenever they get done working, they'll move those windows in, for safety reasons. We just don't want anyone working in that area, afraid something might fall off the roof there that they're working at now. Don't want to take a chance of somebody getting hurt or damaging the windows. Let's take a look at the back of the house and we'll see what's going on back there. Here is the driveway side here. Let's go around here. We can see the windows and everything from here. Let's walk around this side and we'll show you the garage side going to the back. Standing seam and everything, as you can see, looks good now that we've got a rain and kind of got the mud and everything off of it, but it's all turned out really well. Everything's turned out real good. Go around the back here. Guys are coming around. Want to get another load of windows. We'll wait and get out of their way so they can get that loaded up, and I'll go around to the back. All right, here we are on the back side of the house. Here's the lower side of the sunroom, as you can see, where they put the 4 windows in, and there'll be, I believe, 5 or 6 more where that tie vac's going on this side of the sunroom. And then they got the windows over the garage area still to put in. They got the one in the top. They've got one there in the breakfast area under the porch put in, and there's about a 10-foot wide door that goes over the porch, under the porch there also. But here's the back view of it, which everything's turned out pretty well so far, as long as the weather holds out. 62 degrees today, so hopefully it'll stay warmer. But everything's turned out good, and hopefully we'll get all these windows set today and doors, and tomorrow I'll come back out here and take another video and show you what the finished product looks like with the windows installed. And after that, we'll start on the interior plumbing, electrical, and HVAC, and then I'll have a video on that as well. So until next time, I'll see you on the next video.